What if every employee, visitor, contractor, and access point across your enterprise could be managed from a single intelligent platform? With Splan integrated with lenels2, organizations can unify identity management and physical access control into one seamless security ecosystem. Splan PIAM automates identity lifecycles, onboarding, access provisioning, approvals, and compliance. Visitor management streamlines registrations, approvals, check-ins, and badge issuance. Contractor management ensures every contractor is verified, compliant, and authorized before entering your facilities. Mobile credentials enable secure, touchless access using smartphones, while mustering provides real-time visibility and personnel accountability during emergencies. Trusted across ports, airports, corporate campuses, manufacturing, healthcare, government, education, data centers, and critical infrastructure. Transform security, simplify access, power your enterprise with Splan and lenels2. Visit splan.com today.